Hey everyone, welcome back to Terry Eagle's Adventure Channel. Today I want to do bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers on the grill. And a lot of people, I've told a lot of people about these and how good they are, and so we'll do a video and make them so we know how to do it. And we'll try it. So here we go. First you want to go to the store. I'll try to get all my ingredients laid out. Buy some big old jalapenos. And then I'll go ahead and lay out my stuff, my bacon. And then this is Philadelphia cream cheese. And you need a knife and a spoon and toothpicks. And what I do is I'll cut them, cut the tops off, and just go right down the middle. Then we want to take the seeds out. This is where all your heat is. Rinse it out. And we'll put one more here. Well, there you go. Then we want to take a spoon and just take her in there and just fill the insides up. Like so. And we'll take a piece of bacon. And I use a whole one. A whole piece of bacon. Just wrap it around it. Then I'll use a couple of get a few of them laid out here. Toothpicks. And put through it to hold that bacon in there. I'll do one more for you. Just take a spoon. Then take a piece of bacon. Wrap her around. Toothpicks to hold them in. Just like so. And so give me a minute to finish the rest of these up, and then I'll show you on the grill how I'll cook them. go. Now that I got them all done up and wrapped, that's what we look like. And I put these on a cookie sheet, a little cookie sheet, or you can use a griddle or a big cookie sheet or something. And I put them on the grill this way. That way you don't have a lot of fire and stuff when the grease starts dripping. And I go ahead and preheat my grill up to 700 degrees. It's like I do my steaks. And actually I want to put a couple steaks on there while I'm cooking these. These things here are a big hit. Every time I have a get together where we use the grill and stuff, I always cook these up, or my son will do them up when he comes over, and they are one of the first things gone. And we at this here we usually cook about 2 or 3 times as many. We fill the whole grill up with these, and they are the first things gone every time. So they are very good. You have to try this for sure. And we'll just go over here. What I do, we'll preheat it, and I'll just sit them on there. And what we want to do is cook them till the bacon's done. And then plus I'm going to a couple steaks, excuse me, cook a couple steaks, and I'll just throw them on. And we'll take a look at these in a couple minutes. And I usually use tongs and stuff and just keep rotating them as they cook. And we'll take a look at them here in a couple minutes. In a couple minutes, let's go. I know we need to flip the steaks over. And what I usually do is I just keep rotating them, see how it gets nice and brown. And we are done. This is what they should look like when they're done. You know, brown all your bacon, and this is what it should look like. And these are really good. And like I said, they are devoured every time I cook them up. And this here is probably just me and my wife tonight, and we'll probably eat every one of them. They're that good. And please like and subscribe to Terry Ogle Adventures, so you know what adventure I'm doing next. Thanks for watching.